Hello and welcome to this video on Onshape, where we're going to be looking at adding a JPEG image onto a sketch to allow you to trace around. So we start by pressing the plus button in the bottom left hand corner of the screen, and from there you're going to click on Import. Now it's already located the file I want, so it's a JPEG image of Kit, so we're going to press Upload. Just check through that you're happy with everything there. So it's uploaded. So I can just delete them, don't need to look at that anymore, the notifications. And then I'm going to start by drawing a sketch. So the sketch button, and we're going to sketch onto that front plane. So we're just going to draw out our sketch. And then we click on the button there. And it says insert DFX, but we want to insert an image. And the image should come up then with that kit, so it's called Kit JPEG. So all I've got to do is roughly draw out where we want the image to go. So click on the image, and then I'm going to draw out roughly the shape of the image I want. So the image will come in there. I'm just going to roughly draw that out to the shape I want and maneuver that about. When we're happy with that, we then click on the green tick, and then that image will remain in the background, allowing you then to go and trace over the top of it. So the rest of the video is just going to show me doing that and creating the car. So I'll sign off for now. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot.